Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chili in the Instant Pot Superior Cooker. Alright, I'm starting out on my Superior Cooker. I have it set on sear saute and it's hot. I'm going to add in about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to allow this to fry for a few minutes so it's almost completely browned. Right now that my ground beef is just about browned up, I'm going to add in 1 medium onion I diced up. And I'm going to add in some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. Help season the burger. If you don't have this, a little salt, pepper, some garlic powder will work fine. I'm going to allow the beef to continue browning and the onions to get softened up. Alright, now that my ground beef's all browned up and my onions are softened, I'm going to add in some tomato sauce. I'm putting in 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And we're still set on saute high. I'm going to put in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This here is 10 ounces, undrained. And I have 2 cans of chili beans in red sauce. These are 15.5 ounces. These are going in undrained and unrinsed. That chili sauce in there, that red sauce, will help give good added flavor. And I'm going to add one of these cans, probably half a can worth of water in there. Give that a stir. Now I have a pack of chili seasoning mix here. This is just regular, it's not hot. You can also buy hot if you like. I'm going to stir this and it's going to give us a good chili flavor. Now if you wanted to, you could dice up some peppers, jalapenos, or even hotter, throw them in there, some celery, whatever you like. I'm just keeping it simple. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and I'll probably cut the saute temperature back a little bit. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 15 minutes at a medium to medium low boil. And I'll keep an eye on it. If it gets too thick, I'll add a little more water. Alright, I let this go for 15 minutes. It's done. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some cornbread to go with this. Let me get in here and try this chili. Has really good chili flavor, a little bit of heat from the diced tomatoes with the green chilies in them. Almost tastes like Wendy's chili, guys. That was really easy, really delicious. Let me take a bite of this cornbread. Now that's a box cornbread. It's not as sweet as the Jiffy cornbread. I kind of like it. Alright, there you have it. Chili in the Instant Pot Superior Cooker. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.